Which of the following is the topic sentence in this passage? A. She thought at the time that it was caused by a rotten hamburger. B. Both she and Jim were having the time of their lives. C. She could remember the last time she saw him. Or D. She looked out the window and waved goodbye. As we've learned, a topic sentence is a sentence that discusses the main idea of the paragraph, and every sentence in the paragraph must go back to touch upon this point. Let's go through each choice and see if it would make an appropriate topic sentence. A. She thought at the time that it was caused by a rotten hamburger. Although a good portion of the middle of the text does discuss her feeling ill and suspecting that it was caused by a rotten hamburger, the beginning and end of the paragraph don't focus on this idea. Therefore, this can be marked as incorrect. B. Both she and Jim were having the time of their lives. It's true that the text does start off by describing the fun she and Jim are having. However, the fun quickly stops once she experiences vertigo. Because only the beginning of the text reflects this idea, it can't be our topic sentence. C. She could remember the last time she saw him. This could very well be our answer. As the first sentence of our paragraph, this sentence sets us up for what we're about to read, a description of the last time she saw Jim. Every sentence in the paragraph reflects this idea, and the last sentence even reiterates it for us. Just in case, let's go on and check D. D. She looked out the window and waved goodbye. Just like with choices A and B, not enough sentences in the text reflect this idea, which is only mentioned at the very end of the passage. Therefore, this can be marked as incorrect, and C, she could remember the last time she saw him, can be marked as our final answer.